Hello, 7th grade learners, and welcome to your weekly instructional lesson for week 8. We are on our final week for the very first project in English Cultural Narratives. So, your learning target for this week is I can create a final presentation for the personal narrative project on Google Slides. Alright, so here I have another little video. This one on brainstorming great personal narratives, some other ideas for you. I've also included a little video about how to write a 5-paragraph essay. That's really what you should be shooting for in this personal narrative. And a tool that I have discovered, I've seen a lot of commercials about it, but I decided to try it for myself, and it is brilliant. It will really help you with your punctuation, your grammar, your capitalization, so that you can get a much better score on conventions if you run it through Grammarly. So I'm giving you a tutorial on how to add that onto your Chrome extension. It really is very worthwhile because you can copy and paste it right in there, and it will show you all the mistakes that you can correct before you turn in your final draft. I've also included a little slideshow on how to become a better writer when it comes to personal narratives, what kind of things you should add. And lucky you, I have 2 examples of slideshows from other students from the past so that you can look over this for a good idea of what you should be presenting. Here it comes. Here's one a student did last year so that you can see that this person has their personality narrative. It is not a very long essay, but it is 5 paragraphs that they included in their presentation. So this will be your final product. You'll have that essay, but then you also have to present that essay. And this person added some really nice graphics for their personal narrative. Also, always in the 6E format, there's an explain what you know, explain what you've learned so far. And I always like to do a little quizzes. I love quizzes because it's a fun game, but also a review game of some of the terms. And then your final thing to do is make sure that you get that personal narrative done. It will be right in your platform. There is a blank slide so that you can start Google sliding it. I really suggest putting in some graphics. If you saw with that one with the skateboard, he found all those online to put them in to make it a very interesting presentation. The thing about personal narratives is that you really do not want it to be boring. You want it to be very exciting and attention-grabbing so that the reader enjoys your personal narrative. Alright guys, you have until this Friday to get this done. Then we are moving on to another project. So, let's see what you can do. Have a great week. There is one more thing I would like to explain to you. When you are working through this 6E format, can you please highlight? Let me know where you are. If you're done with this, after you've done the little task, then you're going to scrub it and highlight it and then turn it in. So I have an idea that you've done it, or you can make a comment, and the way to make a comment is to just highlight something and go up here and make a comment that you have completed it so that I know that you're done and you can get a green light. Alright, great. Thank you.